2007 Ford Focus hatch. With 99,000 miles. This stinks. Well, this is just as basic as it gets. There's a 5-speed manual. Manual door locks. Manual mirrors. Manual windows. Interiors in here sucked. And some of you thought I was just a Ford fanboy, but I'll critique the hell out of even my favorite brand. Interior quality sucks. At least they put some soft touches on the door panel. Other than that, everything is all hard to the touch and cheapy feeling. A strange configuration for this little CD holder, it looks like. Just goes right onto your leg. At least it has a CD player, so give it credit for that. Kind of basic sounding. Sounds kind of buzzy. Like a bee just buzzing right in your ear. And rear legroom is not really so great, but what you expect, it is a small car. And the cargo area is really not much of a big deal, but hey, it has one. Seats do fold down, you just push those buttons down, and just push them. There's cargo cover. And a spare tire. Shit, it's open. This ought to be a 2.0 4-cylinder. That's it. I still use this engine in the current Focus. It's kind of torn there. Well, it has some temp. Now that is buzzy. Okay, so let's do an exhaust shot. With that sticker alone, you can tell it's a dead giveaway. It's a chick car.